a friend you know how to fly, and so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. There's a new kid in town here in Bethlehem. I see you traveling far, bearing treasures. You say these gifts are for the new King's pleasure. Well, I've heard that a king might come, but up till now there hasn't been one. There's a new kid in town, and he's lying in a manger down the road. There's a new kid in town, but he's just another baby, I suppose. Heaven knows there's a new kid in town here in Bethlehem. Christmas this year. Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, 'cause there one's for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all be together, if the fates allow. Merry little Christmas now. Tuxedo wearers, white tie, high table tongs and red wine. We've been planning this night, looking forward to it for some time. Honey, I know you love getting dressed up, and you know I love showing you off, watching your baby blue eyes dancing in the candlelight glow. All I can think about is getting you home, yeah. Walking through the front door, seeing your black dress in the floor. But there sure ain't nothing like you love me all night long. And all I can think about is getting you home. It's about time to make a PSA announcement about this song. It's a Christmas show, technically, so the politest way I know how to say this is if you don't know what this song is about, however, what I did not have on my bingo card was people taking this onto the internet and making the second verse a meme. Well, they made this song about food. They would go in and film themselves and be like, I don't need this menu, no I don't. I already know just what I want. And they would throw the menu off screen at the end of that. Which I do not recommend doing in a Waffle House. The cook will come out and fight you from behind the counter. But evidently, it is no longer the Little Black Dress song, it is the song about food. So, I'm gonna give you y'all's favorite line. Here we go. I don't need this menu.